Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A20s, and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen on this device. First of all, open one of your apps that you wish to use in split screen view, like Chrome. Now you need to access background apps. In order to do that with Tricky's navigation, tap on this button with 3 lines. Now click on the icon of your app and select Open in split screen view. Lastly, just click on the other one. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. If you wish to switch placement of your apps, click on those 3 dots in the middle of them and tap on this icon with 2 arrows. In order to go back from this mode though, hold those dots and drag your app all the way up or all the way down. When you're ready, let go and tap on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!